Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm sharing with you what we got our kids for Easter, Dollar Tree edition. This is their Easter basket. Spoiler alert, everything comes from the Dollar Tree. Let's get into this video. For my basket, I used fake grass, Easter chocolate eggs, bunnies, coloring books, egg chalk, Easter stamps, and plastic fillable eggs. I filled the baskets with fake grass, and to fill 2 Easter baskets, I used 1 bag of grass. So in previous years, I have reused the same Easter basket, but it was a little small this year, so I upgraded to these larger baskets that come from the Dollar Tree. I placed the Easter coloring books in the back and added the chocolate bunnies. I removed them from the packaging. That's my #1 tip for making any kind of gift basket, is to remove the item from the packaging. I used the large eggs and filled them with the Easter chocolates. I also filled some of them with the Easter stamps. These are actually really great ideas to put in Easter eggs for Easter egg hunts too. It would be a fun little addition to chocolate. Then I opened the egg chalk and I placed them in the baskets. Once again, I removed it from the packaging and I placed each egg individually into the basket. I also added these little kitchen spatulas. I bought these for their play kitchens. You can spruce up any basket and add your own things. You can add face masks, loofahs, water toys. Another suggestion is to add a new swimming suit or a spring outfit that costs more than $1.25, and then accessorize those items with Dollar Tree items. I love how bright and colorful these baskets turned out. I think they're beautiful and fun, and I know my kiddos will love them. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you buy your kids for Easter, or just your loved ones in general, from the Dollar Tree. I hope you have a happy Easter, and I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved. We will see you next time on the Lilac House. We are headed out to go look at the spring flowers, and I hope you remember to do the same. Bye.